People choose to have multiple local disks or partitions on their PCs. Some of their reasons could be to have more than one operating systems on their machine, or for safety or organization of data, or performance benefits. Let me demonstrate how we achieve that. On this particular PC, we see three partitions labeled C, D, and F. Two of them have got data on them, while one is empty. Let's now make a new partition on that empty one. Simply search for disk partition and then click on the first result that says Create and Format Hard Disk Partition. Here comes the disk management page. Here we have local disk C, D, and F. Let's now make a new partition out of D. Right-click on D and select Shrink Volume and then click. The total size is 146 GB. Let's have the size of the new partition to be 70 GB. That is to say 70,000 megabytes. You can see size of the remainder of the volume in the next slot. It says 80,000 MB, that is 80 GB. Then click on Shrink. The earlier partition D of 146 GB size is now reduced to 70 GB, while the newly formed partition has about 68 GB size of free space. In order to make this free space discoverable and usable, we need to run it through the new simple volume wizard. To achieve that, right-click on it, select New Simple Space. We will be welcomed with New Simple Volume Wizard, and click on Next. As is evident, the size is nearly 70 GB. That was exactly the amount we specified earlier. Then click on Next. You can assign a drive later and click Next. Then click on Finish to complete the wizard. Once done, the newly formed partition opens up and is discovered on the list of local disks as you can see it. It's this much simple. You can see it. Thank you for your company.